What's up folks, welcome to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to download and install Google Chrome on your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to this link with either Edge or whatever browser you have installed on your PC. Don't worry about the link, I'll leave it in the video description below. Once you have page loaded, hit that download Chrome button from here. Then uncheck this box and click on accept and install. And now the installer will be downloaded. Once it's done downloaded, click on it to open it. Then click on yes to give permission. And after that, you will see that it's downloading and installing Chrome on your computer. Once it's done, Chrome should open on its own. So guys, that's how you download and install the Chrome browser on your computer. If the video was useful, smash that like button. Want more tech tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel cause I've got more of them coming. As always, thanks a million for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.